at Jollibee, and I just ordered the
Ay, ito pala, hiwalay.
what is
Yung aking
it?
rice.
The Dubai chocolate sundae, but first we're gonna eat fries and spaghetti. First spaghetti. Okay, so I'm gonna give you a mukbang. Diba yung kwan? I ordered fries too, but the spaghetti, you need to mix it. And there's even a hot dog. Kusa? Huh?
Oh, mix.
Hi, this is brand new. I can't take it anymore. Do you want it?
Okay. Thank you.
So someone just
Ito nga kain na siya, pero ang dami
someone
na.
like got us
Kaya naman ako.
free franchise because like we cannot take it.
Babae. Hindi mo naman hindi ko talaga ginalaw.
Ganun. I'm gonna eat my bread. No?
Makakalena ako.
Ow!
Ano?
Oh, para mix.
Hindi mo ma-mix?
Ang sakit.
Anong kinain din yan? Chicken?
Oh my god. It's like okay, let's burger on. But first, let's see the hot dog. Let's try it.
Nandito na kutsara. Ano? Nandito na kutsara. Gusto mong burger steak, ha? Ano? Gusto mo tikman mo siya? Walang internet. Signal pala.
I don't know why I eat spaghetti like this, but it's still nasty. Puedes probar
Fry?
Sí, voy a probar uno. Okay, let's try the fry. This is yum. This is more yummy than the McDonald's fries. Not gonna lie. Masarap. I'm so excited to try the sundae Dubai chocolate. So yeah. Oh god. The fry is so yummy.
sili pa.
This is so long. Okay. What? Here's the.
Hindi ako lang. Parang
The fries are more yummy. And this too. This spaghetti yummy. Okay, let's drink juice, lemon juice. Yep, this is the one. Masarap. Yung spaghetti. I forgot their sausage. And it's yummy too. I'm not ready to eat it. Honestly.
mamaya ka
This thing's busting.
Masa malibit. Masa malibit.
Ano pa yan? Nakabalik na pala sila? Ano?
Yung manok.
Kaya ang sangahan nila eh. Tama na.
More sausage, yay. Masarap yung spaghetti.
Mga Filipino spaghetti.
Baka malagyan ng damit.
This is so masarap. Especially the fries are so yummy. Like I keep saying that. They're not really salty. The juice, it's not like giving juice. It's like more water now.
Nakakailan sila walang chicken na may sausawan, wala naman nagsasawsawan ng chicken sa McDo, wala. Heavy pala.
Oh gosh. More sausage. It's so yummy.